Hello everyone, this is D.J.M Prop Productions, and in today's build I will show how to create the magnetic thermal detonator from Star Wars The Mandalorian. We first begin the project with the end cap off a PVC pipe cup link. This will give the basic shape of the detonator. For the inner centerpiece of the object, we will be using a small mini Gatorade bottle cap. We will place the cap inside the center of the cup link, therefore creating the general shape of the detonator. For the backing of the object, a thin piece of cardboard will be used, along with a piece of adhesive sticky foam sheet to provide padding to the back of the object. Together they will make up the backside of the detonator piece and have both been taken from the middle section of the pipe cup link, making up the circumference of the end cap. Several small magnets will make up the inside of the detonator, being placed into the center part of the object. They will go through the cardboard backing as well as the foam padding and will be able to attach to metal surfaces. To begin the project, we first start out with cutting out the cardboard backing to the detonator, while also trying to keep the circumference of the object as well. Once both the foam and cardboard have been cut out, which will make up the backside of the detonator, we can move on to the next step of painting the objects. The next part of the process will be to secure the magnets to the middle piece of the detonator. To do this, we will be using JB Weld, which once mixed together will then be applied onto the magnet like so. It's important that an apt amount of it is on the object. Once that's accomplished, we can place it on the cap, which has been filled with hot glue. Once everything's completely bonded, we can move on to the next step, which will be to place the cap into the centerpiece of the detonator. Once the cap is properly set into the coupling piece, we will then use some JB Weld to then secure everything and bond everything properly into one piece. Once that is complete, we will next, using hot glue, secure the cardboard backing onto the detonator. While doing this, I have the piece secured in the cap of a spray paint can while the JB Weld continues to dry. After the cardboard backing has been glued, the next step will be to add the foam padding as the final layer to the back of the detonator piece. Here we have our final product. The thermal detonator has turned out quite well now that all the components are put together. The build time for this was about 2 days or so, with hours devoted to letting the paint dry as well as the JB Weld glue. It holds a very well likeness to the prop used within the Mandalorian. Please let me know what other props to cover in future videos. Have a nice day.